Good morning children. Today our Narayana live classes key. For the class 6th. Dated on 27th June 2020. Okay. The subject is social studies and the topic is from gathering fruit to growing food. So today also we are going to discuss about the early man. We are already since many days we are discussing the topic, the continuation of the same topic here also. So the earliest man, the first question here given is today's in the assignment. The earliest man prepared small stones tools. These are called as, so he used to prepare the tools with the small stones. So these are called as, what they are called as, microliths, because using the small stones he started preparing the tools. So these are called as microliths. So here in the given question, option B. So the first question, option B is the correct answer. What is the answer? Microliths. Next, these hunters and gatherers, they used to live in our Andhra Pradesh also. So the hunters and gatherers of Andhra Pradesh are called as, what they are called as, they are called as Chenchus. The hunters and gatherers who lived in our Andhra Pradesh, they are called as Chenchus. So here option C. Option C. Coming to the third question. Identify the places where the cow dung ash mounds are found. So what is this cow dung ash mound? So in olden days, what the early man used to do, he used to take the cow dung and he used to mix with the wood. Okay, he used to take the cow dung and he used to mix with the wood and he used to burn it. He used to burn it. One of the reason to burn this cow dung ash mound is, what is that? He used to burn in order to scare away the animals. He used to burn this cow dung in order to scare away the animals. So where this cow dung ash mounds are found in our Andhra Pradesh, they are found in Anantapur. So option B is the correct answer. Here the option B is Anantapur. Next, see, hunters and gatherers, before what I said, they used to lead a nomadic life. Now they started cultivating and they started settling their life. So what is the reason for settling the life and they started the cultivation? Because there is the change in water. What there is a change? There is a change in the climate. So here option B, climate. Because of the change in the climate only, they started cultivation. Change in the climate. Okay, option B. Next, the paintings, the painted caves of the hunters and gatherers are found in our Andhra Pradesh in which district? So the hunters and gatherers, they used to paint in the caves also. These painted caves are found in our Andhra Pradesh in Kadapa district. Okay, so here option D, Kadapa. Next question is, the archaeologists, who are archaeologists who study about the past, the past things. These people are called as archaeologists. So here the archaeologists, they found new stone tools. So this period is called, this new stone tools period is called as Neolithic age. So this period is called as Neolithic age. Neolithic period. So option C. Okay. So coming to the questions today, only one question is given, children. So what is the difference between the life of the present farmer and between the life of the early man? So the present farmer, what we are growing, how we are growing the crops. So we are growing both. So difference between the present farmer Early man. So what is that? We are growing both the food crops and cash crops. So what are the food crops? What we grow, the crops, vegetables, this all what we eat, rice, paddy, all this. This is known as food crops. Cash crops means this tobacco, turmeric, which they use for the business. They sell and they get the money. So the present farmer is growing both the food crops and the cash crops. But the early man, he used to grow only the crops for his survival. Crops for his survival. Means which will give them him food. Only food crops he used to grow. Okay. And now we are using all, in order to grow the crops, we are using all the pesticides and chemicals. So pesticides and pesticides and chemicals are used now. Do early man know about this pesticides and chemicals? No, he used to use only natural manure. Natural manure, dung. Dung, cow dung. Okay, dung. Cow dung. This he used to use as a manure. And early man, what at present farmers are growing per year how many crops? Nearly 3 crops. In one field they are growing nearly 3 times the crop. So they are growing three crops per year. But early man, he used to grow according to the season. According to the season, he used to grow the crops. Crops. So, children, you have understood the difference between the life of the present farmer, how we are living at present, and how the early man used to grow the crops. Now that we have lot of technology has increased, we have got all the equipments. But early man, he does not have all this equipment. So naturally only, with the help of the nature only, he used to grow all these crops. Okay, children, thank you.